Most people think AI is the problem. It's not. The real problem is how we talk to AI. In 2026, prompting is no longer a trick. It's a professional communication skill. If your prompts are vague, outputs are vague. If your prompts are structured, outputs become powerful. Today, I'll show you the exact prompting system to use with ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Use this 5-part framework every time. It ensures your AI interactions are surgical and precise. Role: tell AI who it is. This sets the persona and expertise level for the entire task. Context: give the data and background. The more the AI knows about the why, the better the what. Constraints: set boundaries, length, tone, format, and what to strictly avoid. Control the output. Format: define the output structure, table, bullets, JSON, or a specific checklist. Structure is key. Verification: force a self-check. Ask the AI to list assumptions, risks, and its own confidence score. Let's look at the difference in practice. Most users make the bad prompt mistake daily. Bad prompt: write me a strategy for my business. This is too generic and leads to a useless hallucination. Good prompt: you are a growth strategist for a small e-commerce brand in GCC. Goal: increase weekly sales by 20% in 60 days. Constraints: low budget, no paid agency. Output: 3 strategy options, each with cost, risk, and expected impact. Then provide a 7-day action plan and confidence score. This is a prompt that gets results. In 2026, 3 major updates changed the game for professional prompting forever. First, context engineering. Quality now depends on what context you feed and how you structure it. Second, long context workflows. Models now process huge datasets, making document-based prompting mainstream. Third, grounded responses. Especially with Gemini, you can ground answers in live data for fresher, cited outputs. Same framework, different strengths. Here is how you should think about each tool. ChatGPT: ask for structured deliverables and explicit evaluation criteria. It's built for execution. Claude is for deep reasoning and context-heavy analysis. Gemini shines with multimodal inputs and search. Don't just use AI, direct it. In 2026, prompting is no longer a task, it is digital leadership. If you want practical systems you can use daily, subscribe to HB Practical AI. Let's lead together.